Hello everybody. We have a 2009 GL 450. I want to show you how to diagnose real quick with the right equipment a bad AC compressor. This truck has a bad AC compressor, so I have the AC machine hooked up. Right now there is no action, and I have a really nice tool that I have hooked up in the back of the compressor. Okay, what it does, it measures the pulse width modulation sent by the AC control head or some of the modules to command the compressor on and off. Okay, so we know it doesn't work, so I just want to show you how neat the tool is. So I'm gonna crank it. Okay, it's in auto already. Okay, we can see the numbers going up. So right now it's commanded to 100% pulse width modulation. So the compressor it's got to be on, but we don't see any movement on the gauges. So pretty much we have a bad AC compressor. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off, and we see the signal, it dropped all the way to 0. Okay, so we can here, I'm gonna put it in auto. There we go. There is no movement on the gauges, so we have a bad AC compressor on this GL 2009. Here, this is the way the tool is set up. It's in its powers and grounds, and I made a connection that goes all the way to the back of the compressor. It's really hard to see, but anyway, if somebody needs a Mercedes repair, just give us a call, 214-207-2619. Thanks.